Hello everyone, nice to meet you again. And today I will talk to you about a missed date. Hello Diana. This is David. Oh, hi David. What happened yesterday? I waited and waited for you. You forgot about it, didn't you? No, I remember, but it rained all day and I had a bad cold, so I decided to stay home. You did, but I tried to call you at least 20 times and nobody answered. Oh, the phone lines were damaged by the storm. They repaired them today. Oh, what did your sister Maddie do yesterday? She and her boyfriend go dancing. No, they didn't. They stayed home and play cards. What did you do? Did you play cards too? No, I studied and listened to CDs. After dinner, I watched the DVD with Maddie. What did you do for dinner? I didn't like making a big dinner, so I just heated up some frozen food. What did you do yesterday, David? I just told you. I tried to call you 20 times. Yes, that's all I want to talk to you today. Thank you for watching.